Hello and welcome to Lesson 10, How to Order at a Restaurant Like a Native. Do you want to sound natural when ordering food? Then let's go through some useful phrases for drinks, main courses and desserts. Drinks: water, water, coffee, coffee, tea, tea, juice, juice, wine, wine. Main courses: grilled chicken, grilled chicken, steak, steak, pasta, pasta, salad, salad. Desserts: ice cream, ice cream, chocolate cake, chocolate cake, fruit salad, fruit salad. Now let's move to some key phrases. I will have the please. Could I get with that? May I see the menu, please? Could you recommend a dessert? So instead of these words in brackets such as dish and a coffee, you can use other words depending on what would you like to order. So you can say, I will have the salad, please. Or could I get a glass of wine with that? Or could I get a coffee with that? Let's see it in an example. Here we have a short conversation between a waiter and you as a guest. Hello, are you ready to order? Yes, I will have the steak, please. Would you like anything to drink? Yes, a glass of red wine, please. Great choice. Would you like a dessert? Could you recommend something? So in this conversation, you can see both the example of the useful phrases for you, for example, as a waiter, or for you, for example, as a guest. This means that in our conversation challenge, we are going to exercise both sides. So whether you are a waiter and you need those phrases at your job, or if you are a regular guest at a restaurant, you will have phrases and vocabulary to feel ready to use it. Let's go. Again, in our speaking challenge, I advise you to pause the video and try to answer, and of course, after that, check the correct responses. You are more than welcome to write other examples below in the comments, and I will get back to you very soon. Here on the right side, you have those emojis which will help you provide your responses. Here is a simple conversation between you and a waiter, and here you have your task is to fill in the your part, so the part of you as a guest. So let's see. If the waiter response is yes, here you are, it means that you ask him what? Yes, may I see the menu, please? Yes, here you are. Thanks, I'd. And you have here something that you want to order. Yes, I'd like a chocolate cake and a coffee, please. Okay, coming soon. Please do this exercise more than once. Excellent. Now let's move to the second one. Here You are going to fill in the conversation part for the waiter. So you have the full text for the guest, but we have the waiter part. So if the guest says, "Hi, yes, I would like a salad," it means that a waiter should ask what, and you have a symbol here. Yes, hello, are you ready to order? Hi, I'd like a salad. Then waiter makes another question and your response would be, "I'd like a bottle of water, please." So what's the question for that? Would you like anything to drink? Yes. I'd like a bottle of water, please. Okay, coming soon. Well done. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new lesson.